Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to convert 720p to 4K in DaVinci Resolve 18 upscale resolution from 720p to 4K easy tutorial. So for us to be able to begin, just open DaVinci Resolve onto your device and open the project wherein you want to go ahead and convert it. So I'm currently onto my project already in here and I've added a clip already here. So for instance, if your clip is 720p and you want to convert this, what you need to do is to find in here under media pool the timeline. So this is the clip that we have added, and we also have another one which is the timeline once we have added something here onto the timeline. So this is what or where we're going to go ahead and try to adjust some settings. But if you're not seeing this, it is easier to find that under list. So it should be named timeline. So to go to list, just simply click onto this, and to head back, click onto this icon in here to change your view. So here on list, we have the timeline here. Right click onto that and hover onto timelines to go ahead and click on timeline settings. Right after, we could change the resolution for that. Remove this use project settings, and here click on the drop down, and we're gonna use or choose the one which is the Ultra HD. Click onto that and make sure also in here that this one is scaled. Scale entire image to fit. Just simply click onto OK, and then right after do a quick preview onto your clip in here so that you could see the difference between 720p to 4K. And that is how easy you could go ahead and convert 720p to 4K in DaVinci Resolve. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.